little fear in you. But don't worry, I'll find it.
Stay out of his head! Ready position! Left shoulder! Right shoulder! Ready position! Left shoulder!
Good morning, everybody. Today is our first real Disney day. We are switching over to the Port Orleans Riverside Hotel Resort, and we are going to get our tickets and head over to Hollywood Studios. We are so excited. We're just packing everything up and going to make the switch. We're all ready to go, guys. The next step is everybody needs their Disney bracelets. Who's ready for a Disney bracelet? Yay! I have Eminem.
Woo! Yay.
I have Aaron. I have Sunshine.
Yay!
I have Dan. And I have Big Man. Who needs help?
Me!
Okay, give me that wrist, girl. That side? Yes. Okay, I'll flip it over. Check this side in.
So what's good about these is you can take them off. You can adjust the size whenever you need.
How's that feel?
Good.
For now?
Yep.
Make it tighter if you like it. Okay, yay!
Try to guess whose is whose.
All right, we are all loaded up and time to move. Yay! Let's get this day started. Woo, 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 woo. Disney, Disney. Later, we're gonna be going left to Hollywood Studios. Oh my gosh, I almost can't believe we're finally here. Yep. Nice, thanks, Dad.
Hey, how's it going? We're checking in today.
Got a magic band?
Yep.
Okay, here's where you're at. You're going to go straight ahead down that road.
Okay.
You're going to come to this parking lot. It has two entrances. You want the second one.
Okay.
Okay, there's a reserved section for check-in right here.
Okay.
Go across to the lobby. They're going to give you a 4-digit room number. The first two numbers is going to be one of these buildings.
Okay, cool.
So if they give you a 1650,
right there,
just go to building 60.
Okay.
These are all big parking lots.
Okay.
Once you get the number, just drive to your parking lot.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks, man.
Guest check-in, 30 minutes.
We're stopping in the middle of the road.
I know. It does look like a train station.
Do you have a magic band with you?
I do.
Okay, go ahead right there. And a picture ID if you
Yep.
have one. Or 90s to kind of give you an idea of what you get. Okay. And the bottom here are just examples.
We got checked in, and then we got told to take our bags one place, and then told to take it to another place and another place. It took us 3 places to find the right place. And then that person said they don't take your bags to your room when it's ready, because they don't know when it's ready, which is not what the front desk person said, and it's very un-Disney. Usually everyone at Disney is super, super helpful and nice, and you can't find anything but joy here. So I'm a little confused, and hopefully our bags make it to the room, or it'll slow down us getting ready for bed when we get back late tonight. But we're ready for some happiness, so let's get on the bus and over to Hollywood Studios.
We're on the bus. We're on the bus.
We have 30 more minutes till the park opens, and there's a big old line.
There's a little
Go ahead to Daddy, buddy. Thank you. All right, bye guys. We'll catch up later. We are rushing over to sign up for Jedi Training. Eminem and Big Man want to do it. Sunshine is too scared. So she and Daddy are going to get in line at Toy Story.
What are they in line for? Can you run? Look at that Christmas tree.
I know, it's beautiful. You're not supposed to run
But why?
because they don't want you to fall and get hurt.
Can you tell me to stop?
Oh, she didn't tell you to stop running. You're sneaky, sneaky little man. Oh my gosh, look at that line.
What is that?
Oh no. It's almost our turn. Let's see what time we get.
Big man.
Big man.
Big man. Okay, guys. We're going to print your ticket here and you're all set.
Awesome. What happened to your faces?
We got stickers.
You got stickered?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
I took one off my leg and that hurt.
I bet it did. Oh, big man, there's one right here. Oh my gosh, look at him. You can look at him. Oh yeah, he's ready for a picture now, bud. Ready? Woohoo! Who's gonna get the best score?
Me.
Me. Me.
I'm gonna make my goal to beat Big Man.
Beat Big Man. What's your goal?
2 billion.
Beat Eminem?
2 quadrillion.
2 quadrillion. Nice goal. How'd you do?
Did you get this? Oh my
I
gosh. 86,600.
86,000. What'd you get?
I don't even remember. It was
Let's-
63.
Mommy won. I got 154,000. Did you get? What'd you get?
193,000.
Ah!
Big Man, time for Starbucks. Oh my gosh. We can probably do his voice in Star Wars.
Okay. Who's that?
Chewbacca.
Okay.
Buttons. 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 Back.
Oh, that reminds me. Let's run a diagnostic on the cowboy.
I have no idea what this is. These are actually better than Toy Story Mania.
You like these better?
Please pay attention to in every available seat.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Star Tours.
Show me.
$13.
He needs another leg. I need it.
Okay, honey. There we go. We're gonna look there. And here. Hold on a second. Scan complete. Thank you. Wait, Dan, you want by yourself? Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you. Bye, Chewbacca.
He's so fluffy over the door.
He pointed at you.
Bubba Fett right there, huh?
Oh my gosh! Look! Look! Look!
Oh. Give him bubbles.
We're doing a little mermaid show.
The seaweed is always cleaner.
One thing of a boss, I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
The only way to get what you want is to become human yourself.
Hey, big man.
I'm the tallest.
You're the tallest? That's okay.
Ready position. Face me, students. Left shoulder. Right shoulder. Back and down. Duck. Stand straight to the head. Excellent. You did it, students. Well done, little ones. Kids, remember, the visions you are about to see are not real.
Join me or face the power of the dark side.
Kylo Ren. Ring the bell and say shifted.
There is no balance, Jedi.
You did it! Well done! Save it out!
All right, big man.
Sense a little fear in you. But don't worry. I'll find it.
Stay out of his head! Right decision! Left shoulder! Right shoulder! Straight to the head! Fearless! Well done! Save it out! And ready position! Left shoulder!
Stay true. Stick to your path. Remain strong. And the Force will be with you. Always.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Everyone, these little ones have shown great strength and courage today. Welcome to the future of the Jedi. Well done, little ones.
How'd you like the Jedi training?
This is fun.
It was fun? Are you glad you got to fight Kylo Ren?
Yeah.
Yeah? How'd it go?
Good. Because guess what? I opened my eyes this time.
You opened your eyes the whole time?
Really fun. First time. My face, when it was on the loop, it looked this. Against the bed.
You couldn't hold your head back?
Yes, I can.
But you loved it?
Yes. My first time, my head was like a ping pong ball bouncing against the plastic sides.
I had a blast.
Yeah?
Loved it.
Mommy was scared. I shut my eyes the whole time.
Frozen sing-along.
No, right when you go through, they'll have the kissing thing.
Okay, it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. You're stepped and dolphin. To taste it, just taste it. Happy birthday to you.
Right at the beginning.
Gross.
What better way to bring in the season than for the royal historians to share the story of our kingdom? Well, an act of true love will thaw frozen hearts.
That's me! I like warm hugs.
Guys, I don't think this has ever happened to us, at least. I don't know if it's happened to you if you've ever been to Disney or an amusement park that's packed full. We have, like, nothing to do. We're just sitting here waiting. We've done everything that we want to do.
You're not gonna use syrup? And we're going to the Tower of Terror.
Kids are so scared of this.
Yeah.
Least favorite part here. This is what gets me.
You hate the haunted part?
The ride is fun, but this, like the, yeah, I don't like this part.
Are you excited? Oh my god.
But I'll open my eyes. No.
Did you love it? Yay! Well, guys, we're gonna call it a night. Every ride we like has a 2-hour or longer wait, and the park isn't gonna be open that long, so I'm not risking that. My favorite ride of the day was Toy Story Mania. That is the funnest game ever and the funnest ride, and I like winning, and I won my round.
The rock and roller coaster was really fun. Oh yeah, the up and down
Tower of Terror.
It is the rock and roller coaster in the Tower of Terror.
So we told the kids that if we go back to the room now, they can have hot chocolate and watch a TV show before they go to bed. Otherwise, they wanted to stay till closing because that means staying up later. And I don't blame them because that would be my choice as a kid too. We're gonna jump on a bus that'll take us to the hotel. They have assigned us a room, so we gotta figure out where our luggage is. I guess they didn't take it to our room, which stinks because that means we should have just left it in the car. All right, guys, we are in the room, got all settled. Everybody's hunkered down in their beds. It's time to go to sleep. Tomorrow, we are headed to Magic Kingdom. I hope you will come back and watch the fun. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends. Dab, peace dab, two dab, triple dab.
Sleeping dab.